So this is the situation. And if you look, the spring has broken. And this one side of the door is lower than the other. So yeah, hopefully they can do it with the car in here because we can't get the garage door open. Shizzle. So you're saying that these springs have, you get about 20 to 25,000 ups and downs on your garage.
Yes.
And then they pretty much go.
Yeah.
All right, cool. So you're thinking we got to get a spring, first of all, right?
Springs has to go with the center bearing in there.
Yeah.
A little steel coupler.
And then what about these over here? What do you think about this?
Cables are starting to fail, and they're rusty over here. You can see it right there.
Yeah. Should we get new cable on there?
You should get new cables because you see this right there?
Uh-huh.
The cable's gonna unwind.
Oh yeah, I see that.
And if you add new tension to it, it might break also. Yeah. And your drums are worn out a little bit too.
What about our shaft?
Your shaft, the shaft's really not a major issue as long as it's not bent.
Right.
So right now it's a little rusty and everything, but it's in good condition. Okay. As long as I can slide these things off, on and off, okay, it should be great.
So what do you think about this one over here?
Same as the other one.
So you think we gotta maybe replace those two?
Yeah.
Replace the spring and replace the line. Or that, what do you call it, steel cable, right?
Yep. The only cable, look at this one too.
Yeah, see that? That's what I was really, I looked at that, I was like, that does not look good.
So if we add tension to it, it's gonna cause this to...
Sooner or later, it's gonna break.
If you couldn't spin this to see what spring it was, that number right there.
262.
You would go on here, look for 262.
Oh, I see.
And
so
it should sit right in these edges.
It sits right in the grooves.
Yep.
So that's how you know exactly what spring to get.
Yep.
So now we know what we need, right?
Yes, sir. And in here, you see that it won't match. This is where it gets tricky. You have to keep...
Oh, so this one's a little bit different on this side.
Trying to be closest to it.
All right, cool.
Boom.
Got it. Which one is that?
250.
So we get
262 and a 250.
So 250 on the right side, 262 on the left. Bam, we got it. Oh, you got to measure it too.
41. 41 also.
So these are 41 inches across, both sides.
Both sides. And
yeah. Even that one's broke.
2 inch diameters. And
oh, I see.
Spring inside the spring diameter is 2 inch.
Okay, so the spring diameter is 2 inches. 262 black, and then we got to get a 250, right?
Yeah.
All right, so that is a
262. The ones you have up there.
That's what we want. 262. Okay, now we need the 250. You ever? Oh yeah, you got everything here. Got it?
Yep.
All right, we need that stuff.
Yeah, I'll come back and grab it.
All right, so we got to get this one right here. All right, here we go. Oh yeah, we got it. It's very springy. So we got these. And now what do we got to get?
We have to get the center and both drums and cables.
All right, cables, drums, center, let's do it. These are the rollers.
These are sealed bearing on both sides.
Sealed bearings on both sides.
You don't have to lubricate, and they're 100 pound per roller.
Oh, that's good. The ones I've got are how many pounds?
Really couldn't tell you, but they are standard rollers, so about whatever your door weighs, it should accumulate to that.
What do you think this door weighs? I mean, it's heavy.
500.
No wonder I couldn't lift it.
I tried to do that in New York, and I tore my rotator cuff.
Oh, don't do that. That's not a good idea. All right, so now what do we got to get?
Over here, we have the center bearing.
That's the center bearing.
Going in between.
Okay.
I wanted to switch it because, you know, your spring broke, and what's important about the center plate is this.
Oh, that it spins.
It helps the door spin.
So this has a bearing in there.
In there, yep.
Okay, cool. Right, that's good.
You have these, and you're also getting upgraded drums.
Okay.
As you can see, these are bigger than what you have.
All right.
And the rivets are deeper.
Okay, so we're going to need 2 of those.
2 of those, yep.
All right, so now we got our 2 drums, we've got our and we got our center thing.
And now what we need...
Oh, we need more cable.
Cables. This is a set of 7 foot.
Okay, so do we need another one?
Nope, there's 2 in there, look.
Oh, you got 2? Oh, okay.
Looks.
All right, cool.
Alrighty, now...
Should shut this so nobody steals anything.
Yeah, we can shut.
Of course. All right, let's do it. There's the number if you guys want to get this expert at your house fixing your garage. All right, my man.
Here for every garage needs. Just cool.
You can start your own company, dude.